historical and beautiful hometown of Carigara, Leyte. The Dato Gara Shrine. The birth of a town. In 1379, Dato Gara landed in this area and settled in which his household of 77. The small settlement, simply called Kangara, grew into a town which at one time was the capital of Leyte and Samar. It was also the first capital of Leyte. The name by then had evolved to Calgara, then to Carigara during the Spanish era. To commemorate the birth of Carigara over 600 years ago, we are putting up this statue representing the founder of the town, Dato Gara. This column of rubble may have been a part of the altar of a church built at the turn of the 16th century. It was the first church of Carigara and perhaps in the whole island of Leyte. The niche in this rubble suggests a place for a religious image. Carigara's founding date. Over 600 years ago in 1379, Dato Gara, one of the 10 Datos who fled Borneo with his clan of 77 members, landed and established a settlement on the shores of what is now Binongtuan. This was the beginning of Carigara, but since we have no definite date when Dato Gara put up the settlement, we have to go forward another 200 years for the founding date of Carigara. On January 25, 1571, the Spanish conquistador and Governor-General Miguel Lopez de Legazpi assigned encomiendas in Leyte to his loyal officers. Among them, Juan de Trujillo, who was assigned an encomendero of Carigara, which had then a population of 1,500. The designation as an encomienda was a recognition by the Spanish government of the township of Carigara. For this reason, the Sangguniang Bayan of Carigara, through Resolution number 05-073 dated March 17, 2005, proposed this date, January 25, 1571, as the foundation date, which proposal was approved by the National Historical Institute. Binongtuan Memorial. These ruins are all that remain of the church built by the Jesuits of the turn of the 16th century and described as one of the biggest and most beautiful in the island. It was the parish church of the Carigara from 1602 to 1869. As the place of worship for over 200 years, this part of Binongtuan is hallowed ground. This is where our Christian ancestors were baptized, married, and had their last rites. We owe them, our ancestors, the memory. But this memorial is not only for our Christian ancestors. It also honors the original settlers of the town and the Jesuits who made it the gateway of Roman Catholicism in the region. It is a testament to the historicity of Binongtuan and the beginning of Carigara.
Based kasi niya ka na akong mga santay, nga Dato Gara Shrine mo, ang pinakauna nga ginisara nila Dato Gara nga Carigara nga. Kung may nagitan man sa mga bato nga daan dito, sa ito yung mga naging isang bahan nila Dato Gara nga nga Carigara. Ang mula kasi